Hi, this is Untitled Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Mahindra XUV700, stock number 6880. It's ran from the first 2023 to the current shape. There's a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front cab, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right hand door mirror, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,